Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Pleasure, 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 pleasure serving you. Okay, so I'm back with part 2 on cut the cable bill out. That is going to be the title, okay? Cut the cable bill out. I like that. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is because we all need to cut our expenses these days due to the sickness that's going on nationwide. Okay, so I was working hard all day for you, finding you all kind of free entertainment. Free. And then I also did subscriptions so that you'll know how much they charge. So, you know, a lot of times we see the apps on the smart TV or on the Roku, and we don't click on it because we don't know if we got to pay or not. At least that's what I was doing, you know, because I wanted to control my costs. But I went on and looked into everything today, did a long research for you guys, and so I have the answers and the prices for you. Okay, so on the previous video, part 1, I told you how to get everything absolutely 100% free. Alright, and so now I'm going to show you how to pick a provider, and you have to pay for the provider, but you don't have to pay $150, $200, $250, the amount that you're paying cable. So when you pay your cable bill, let me explain, give you the breakdown. You're paying for, you get the first box free, and then after that, every box that you have is a cost. You also pay a service charge and a fee on top of your bill, and then the tax. So those 3 is not even counted into your regular bill. Those are extra, okay? And they have a nerve to keep going up and up and up and up on the price, and half of that stuff is not even worth watching because it's not all shows and movies. You know, some of it is filtered stuff, or some of it is old stuff that you already seen because they show it over and over and over and over, and you're paying for this, okay? So other companies have taken a look at that, and they said, oh, we can put out our own TV channels, and we can have commercials on our channel, and we can do it for free. And so you may say, well, I don't want to watch commercials. Oh, okay. Well, then go ahead and keep paying the $150 to $200. That adds up, even if it's $70. Okay. So I'm just bringing you food for thought. You can take it or leave it. It's up to you. But at least I told you. And if you can't cut your bill down, maybe you have a mother or a daughter or a child or somebody need to cut their bill down, and pass this video or share the video with them. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to start off with this one. TLC. I love TLC, and they have my favorite channel on there, 90 Day Fiance, and then they got another a bunch of spin-offs from that. So you can watch, it says on there, you can watch that for free if you sign up and put your provider information. So your provider is whatever cable company that you're with, okay? But I'm not with a cable company in my area, so I signed up for Philo, Philo, okay? And that's $20 a month. And I'll tell you about Philo further down in the conversation, okay? So Philo is now my provider. So when they say provider, that's anybody that you pay for a subscription that is considered a provider, okay? So imagine this, for $20 it unlocked the key to some free stuff, and I was able to watch everything on Philo. So TLC is free with your provider, and OWN, big time, OWN, which is Oprah Winfrey Show. Now that comes in the 200 package. You pay big bucks for that, okay? Well, this, come to find out, the OWN channel is absolutely free with your provider. So with my Philo account, I can watch OWN whole entire channel for free. I can watch TLC for free. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, you're gonna love this. Okay, so now I'm going on to the subscriptions. All right, this is when you actually pay a monthly payment. NBC. Now you know NBC is a regular TV channel. That only costs $4.99 a month. Now, how much are you paying to watch that on cable? $4.99 a month, NBC. BET Plus is $9.99 a month. HBO is high. It's $14.99 a month. Netflix is the cheapest for one TV is $8.99, and the highest price is $12.99, depending on how many TVs you want it on. Showtime. Now these are all movies and shows. Showtime is $10.99 a month. WeTV is $20 a month. Brown Sugar is $3.99 a month with your Amazon Prime account. Okay, so here we go again. Amazon is putting their plug in. Okay. Lifetime is $3.99 a month or $39 a year. Lifetime. A&E is $5.99 a month. FX Now, FXNOW, is $6 a month. Acorn TV is $5.99 a month. CON TV is $6.99 a month. Stars is $8.99 a month, and after the first 6 months you can pay $43.99 for the next 6 months. UMC, which is Urban Movie Channel, is $2.99 a month. Philo, the one I'm in love with, is $20 a month. And I counted it. I think Philo had, I think it was like 30 some channels. Every popular channel it was on Philo except for sports. Okay. FRNDLY TV. FRNDLY TV was $5.99 a month. That had Hallmark movies, the weather, everything. VIDGO is $14.99 a month. That has live TV and shows and sports for $14.99. YouTube Red is $11.99 a month, effective today. It's July 20, what's today? 25th. Okay, so here's my point. Nowadays you can pick and choose which shows you want to watch. You don't have to go with a package like our cable company always tries to get you to do. And the reason why you don't want to go with a package, because they throw in a bunch of fillers, things you don't even want to watch, but it's on your channel, on your package. Okay, so this way you may say, okay, I can only afford $50 in entertainment and the internet. You have to have the internet. Okay, so let's say you decide between the internet and your cable choices that you don't want to spend more than $50, or maybe you don't want to spend any money and you can go with all the channels that I made on the first video, because then you just pay for the internet, okay? But let's say you want NBC because you want to see regular TV. That's $4.99. So that's $5 out of the budget, right? Now let's go on down. Let's see. Maybe you want to watch Lifetime. Lifetime is $3.99. We're only up to $9, guys. Okay? Or A&E, which is, movies. Okay? That's $5.99. So you can see where I'm going with this. You can end up watching millions of shows for very, very cheap. You decide, you make your budget first in your head, and then you plug in these channels to meet your budget. And if you don't want to pay out anything other than the internet, then you just get the internet and you go with all the free channels that I showed you in video 1. Okay? Now think about this. The first thing I would do is I would watch video 1 on this on cut cable out, and I would definitely plug in all of those channels. So remember, if you have a smart TV and you can't get all these channels, then you need to go get a Roku stick. I couldn't test that out because all of my TVs are Roku TVs, so I had nothing to check it out on. But for sure, if all of these are on, and all of these and the ones on the first video is on the Roku. So if you don't have a Roku TV, you get a Roku stick, okay? And you can start first with your smart TV. If you don't have a smart TV, you do need a Roku device, which is a Roku stick, okay, to get these channels. And Roku only works on one TV at a time. So if you need it on 2 or 3 TVs, you'll have to get a Roku device for the other TVs unless they're smart TVs. Okay? So I thought I would bring this home to you. I thought I would help you save some money. At least check it out. You have nothing to lose. 100% of these subscriptions allow you a free trial, whether it's a few days, a week, whatever it is. They all have different time frames. But at least if you check it out, you'll know what you're getting, and then you can go ahead and set this up, and then you can check your billing date on your cable company. And if your billing date, let's say your billing date is the 3rd of the month, you want to stop your cable before the 3rd of the month. Don't wait till the 2nd and stop it. I would stop it like the last day of this month, the 30th of the month before. That way it gives them plenty of time to understand you don't want that no more. Collect up all of those boxes and everything and take it to them, okay? So that you can be all set to cut your bill down. So some of you are paying $100, $200, $250 and up. Look how much money I just saved you. Okay, so give it a try, check it out, see how that works for you, and please comment and let me know if this was helpful. I hope it was helpful to someone, okay? All right, so I love you, love you, love you, and thank you so much. And the icing on the cake, the one that wins the prize today, is TLC and OWN, because you can get those with your subscription with the company you're with right now for free. You don't need to pay that big money for the $200 package to watch them. Oh, Grandma Ray brought that home for you, okay? I was so happy to do this today for you. I don't know what to do. Okay, so share this video with everyone, because everyone needs to cut the cord, okay? And thank you for hanging around, sharing and caring. Thank you for 15,000 subscribers. I'm so happy today about that. I had to come in front of you to let you know that. And so until next time, remember, Grandma Ray loves you. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel, because it means a lot. Okay, all right. Talk to you soon.